Multiplying and dividing negative numbers seems scary, right? Wrong. It's actually easier than adding and subtracting. In this video, I'll show you one simple rule that solves every problem. By the end, you'll handle problems like this with confidence. Let's go. Here's the rule. Just 3 lines. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive equals negative. And negative times negative equals positive. That's it. Same rule works for division. Here's the shorthand. Positive times negative gives negative. Negative times positive also gives negative. And negative times negative gives positive. What about positive times positive? You already know that. It's positive. And simple version. Same signs. Positive result, different signs, negative result. You can just remember this. Let's test it. Minus 6 times 4. Negative times positive. Different signs, negative result. So the answer will be minus 24. Because 6 times 4 is 24. Next. 10 times minus 8. Positive times negative. Different signs, negative result. So the answer is minus 80. Now division. Minus 48 divided by minus 6. Negative times negative. Same signs, positive result. So the answer will be 8. Because 48 divided by 6 is 8. You can also think of it like this. How many times minus 6 fits into minus 48? Minus 48 is 8 groups of minus 6. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. So 8 groups of minus 6. The answer is 8. Let's level up. Minus 8 times 10 times minus 3 divided by 60. Solve step by step, left to right. Minus 8 times 10. Different signs. So the answer is negative. Minus 80. Then minus 80 times minus 3. Negative times negative. Same signs, positive result. So the answer will be 240. And then 240 divided by 60. Positive divided by positive. Same signs, positive result. So the answer will be 4. One more challenge. 400 divided by minus 10 times minus 3 divided by minus 20. We'll do it step by step, left to right. 400 divided by minus 10. Positive divided by negative. Different signs, negative result. Minus 40. Then minus 40 times minus 3. Negative times negative, same signs, positive result. 120. Then 120 divided by minus 20. Positive divided by negative, different signs, negative result. So the answer is minus 6. See? Once you learn the rule, everything becomes easy. Think you've got it? In the next video, we're combining everything: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, into monster problems like this. If you can solve this, you're negative numbers master. See you there. And before you go, if you want to practice, I've created a worksheet with 12 problems, from easy to hard, with answers and full solutions. You can get this and all my other worksheets for $5 a month, link in the description. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more. See you next time.